Hi guys, I'm Molly and today I'm going to show you how to make the DIY kite from home. So first of all, get your template that you should have got from our website and set it as close to the crease of the bag as possible. Then get your scissors and start to cut along the template, making sure that you're not cutting too close to the edges of the paper. Make sure you take your time with this, don't rush it. You want your kite to look as nice as possible. Once you've cut your template, you should have something that looks like this. And if you open it up, it should look like that. So you fold it back over again. To here, make sure it is this side. And then you fold this half in. Into the center and get some tape. Just around the length of the fold. And stick it down. So you should have something that looks like this. Next you get your sticks and pop your sellotape on. So now I have my sellotape and I'm going to pop my sellotape onto the stick like so. So it should be stuck on like this. And you have one to go down the center. And the other one should go here. Making sure that there is an exact cross between the two in the middle. Oh. However, there should be, depending on the bag that you've used, there should be an extra flimsy part like this. So you just take that and set it to the side. So now you should have what looks like a, if you have extra parts on the bottom, just feel free to cut them off as they are not needed. So now you should have what looks like this. And next there should be a flap here. And you'd get something. You should maybe get an adult to help you with this if you're a child, as it can be dangerous depending on what you're using. So punch the hole around 1/4 of the way down from the top, making sure that the hole is big enough. Next, get your string and feed it through the hole and tie quite a few knots to make sure that it will not come out. say about 3 or 4, just to make sure that it will not break. Now you have your string attached. Take the excess string and move it to the side. With the remaining piece of bag you have left, fold it over, like so, and get your scissors and cut along to the very edge. So once you have your tail cut, take a piece of tape and stick it to the top and flip your kite around and stick it centered at the bottom, and it should look like this. So what you might want to do if you want to make your kite more interesting looking or colourful, you can find things like we have used fun cases and cut them up, and you can stick them on and use some stickers like smiley faces or stars, so you can just pop them on here. You can put some on the tail as well. You can add anything you want to it, as long as it's light to help the kite fly properly, then you're good to go. Here we are in the garden, and we're going to give this kite a fly. Places not to fly a kite would be where trees, electrical wires, roofs or water. Places to fly a kite would be wide open back gardens like ours, for example, wide spaces like fields, and places where there is nothing that it could get caught in. So let's have a go. Let's fly. As you can see, the tail of the kite gives it a balance in its flight, so it's always